Does your Minecraft server look like this? No tab, no scoreboard. Well, you're in luck today because I will be teaching you how to turn this into this. Stay till the end of the video to find out the secrets of the big servers. So, let's dive right into it. Suppose head over to your console. If you are looking for a Minecraft server, Ethereal Foundation Hosting is the best option. They have worldwide locations, cheap prices, 99% uptime, and well, Potato Reptile panel. So it's the simplest for most users. Click the link in the description to find out more. There will be 10% off for the first 10 members to purchase. Getting back to the video, go into your plugins tab, and over here you will need luck perms, placeholder API, and tab. Link will be in the description. Now drag and drop these into your plugins folder. After they have been uploaded, go to your console tab and restart the server. And we are back. Now, if we press tab, we can see this. This is the default tab, but it doesn't seem so nice. And where's the scoreboard? Well, let me show you everything step by step. So, first of all, you will need to run the command slash pi or papi ecloud download server and then run the command slash papi ecloud download statistics and do slash papi reload. Alright, now go back to your hosting section and over here go to files, plugins, and go to tab. Now go to config.yml and over here you can see header, footer, and here we have the scoreboard. Let's say we enable the scoreboard, so true, and then we go over here and go slash tab reload. Now we can see the scoreboard, but this scoreboard also doesn't seem too nice. So let us make new ones. First of all, let us clear all of this trash. So there we go. And again, let's just keep blank spaces. So first of all, head over to this website. The website link will be in the description. And here, first of all, we need to enter the name of our game mode. So for example, let's say this is a survival SMP and then copy the text from here. And first of all, let's do slash R and some dashes and just this as a whole and press and paste this into the footer as well. So now let's go to the next line and type in slash and then select a color code. So for example, let's say I need this to be green. So slash A and then copy and paste a word. So survival SMP. Now let's save this. And then go over here and do slash tab reload. Now if you see the tab, this is real what we are looking at. Now, of course, we need to make this bigger. So we will add a blank line over here, another blank line over here, and in the next line, we will declare online staff and online players. Ping, 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 and percent, ping percent. And then over here, let's do staff. So staff, copy this thing, and Then we do percent star online percent, and then we need to do normal online. So online, and then copy this, paste it over here, and then let's choose person online percent, and we save this and go over here and reload our tab. Now we can see that the number of staff online are 1 and players online are also 1 and the ping is 309. So let's make it even better. So let's say that we want the ping. So let's add the colors, so slash and 7, and then to the ping variable let's use slash and then hashtag and then 00 ff 00, and over here let's use slash and 8, and over here let's use slash e slash and 8, and over here let's use slash and b. Now save this thing at tab reload. Now we can see that this looks much better. Now the next thing we need to do is add a little gap between ping stuff and online and playlist. So let's add a blank thing over here and reload this. So this looks much better. Now for the survival SMT, to make it look even cooler, let's do slash and a slash and k, and then do any any alphabet. So I'll do, for example, A, and then after slash and and slash and A, and type in the name, and again over here, slash and A, slash and K, and again A, tab reload. Now we can see that this looks even better. Now, to make this thing look better, we need to go over here and let's remove this thing and just do slash and E over here. Now, if we see slash tab reload, so this looks even better. Now, next thing we need to do is add a little footer. Add a blank space, and then in the next line, we will add, for example, a site link. So let's say store.example.com, and I copy this, come back over here, and I just paste this, go back and slash tab reload. We have this. Now to make this look even better, we will add some kind of random color. So let's do slash and 5, and then if we load it here, we can see this. To make it even better, let's add a space between this line and this line over here. So blank space. Let's reset the line color. And for some reason, let's do slash and 7, same over here, and slash tab reload. Now we have this. Now let's say we want to give some commands as well to the players in the scoreboard. So let's go to the next line and type in slash and 6, and then, for example, the command is slash and Discord. So let's copy Discord and go over here. And then let's say the next command is slash and E, and it is maybe by. To copy by and come over here and save it, reload the tab, and there we go. And now we are almost done with the tab. Just let's give it a final little touch. Those lines at the top and at the bottom don't look so good. So to make it better, I will be providing you a code in the description. Just copy and paste it over there. Let me show you how. So this is the code, and let's save it. Do the same thing for this, and this looks even better. Now, uh, now let's tab reload, and we have this. Now, let's say, for example, let me make a rank name owner, uh, group owner, set weight 200. Now, let's hang E and owner and paste it over here and close the brackets and give it a space. Now, enter this. As you can see over here in the tab list, I have the prefix owner now. Now, let's make it even better by customizing our scoreboard. So for the scoreboard, let's go back over here, and this was a scoreboard. So first of all, let's clear all of these lines, and then let's make a fresh line. And now if we do slash tab reload, you can see that there's nothing now. Now for the server name, let's go over here and just change the title of, or in our case, we will change the whole colors and everything. Copy this thing from here and come down and then paste this into title. Now slash tab below and we have our survival assemblies. Now for the things, go over to lines, and in the lines, let's say the first thing we need is just a simple blank line, and the second line, let's say we need the player name. So for that, we will do slash and 7 and hashtag 00FFFF, and then let's capitalize it by slash and L, and then percent player percent, and then save this, reload the tab over here, and we can see our name comes in. Now, for the next line, let's say we need the ping. So, for the ping, we will do slash and 7, and then come over here and type in ping again, copy the ping, and come over here, and then we will do, we will just add a little emoji over here. So, ping, let's do network. So we have this network thing and ping percent and save it and come over here and do slash tab below. This is what comes. Now to make it look better, we will add a space over here, and let's say we don't need the color gray, and let's do slash and hashtag 00FF00. Save it again, slash tab reload, and this is what we have. Now let's take the symbol over here. So network and reload, and we have thing. Now let's make more such variables. So let's do the rank next. So slash and C and then slash and D, and then let's type in and then close in and D, and then add the string in love forms underscore prefix percent, and let's add an R here, and we need to install slash PAPI eCloud download and lockbox now slash PAPI reload. Now we can see we have a rank over here. Now for the next thing, let's say we want statistics. So let's just leave a line And in the next line, come over here and do slash and hashtag 00FFFF and slash and L then stats. And we have our stats. Now for the stats, we need some variables such as, let's say, add 7 and let's add skull emoji and then let's declare this to be deaths and then over here let's choose add 1 and percent that is it underscore deaths percent. Then when we reload this, we have our deaths as 0. Now for the next thing we need, let's say slash and C and sword emoji and then let's say this to be kills. Actually we should take these things from here, so let's do kills and paste it over here and same for deaths. So deaths and take this and paste it over here and let's do same for stats. So let's take stats and copy this and paste it over here. Now save it and reload this thing. So we have stats, deaths and kills. Now to make it look even better, what we can do is add some more things. For example, let's do a blank line and then over here add achievements. So go over here and say achievements and copy this and paste it over here with slash and maybe 8 and then let's copy this completed amount. So percent advancement underscore completed amount percent and save it and below. Now as you can see this did not load. So let's do slash pi papi each download and advancements. Now slash papi reload. Now you can see the number of advancements are 0. Now let's say I take an iron pickaxe. And where is an iron pickaxe? Yeah, so an iron pickaxe. And I get the number of achievements as 1. Now let's say I get killed due to some reason. Now the number of deaths are 1. So this is basically how the scoreboard works. Now let's add some better more emojis over here. So just copy and paste anything from emojis you want. So let me, and then finally below this, let's add another blank line and then let's add a server IP. So in slash 96 is mp.example.com or .net and then copy this thing and then paste it over here. And now reload this and we have it. Now for the last line, let's go to the top and copy this thing, come over here, and then let's paste this. Now we can slash tab reload, we have this. Now let's adjust. Now let's adjust what we need accordingly. So let's say I need only these many amount of letters to save the contents and slash tab reload, and we have a scoreboard and a tab. So how does this look? Let me know in the comment section, and if I missed anything, please let me know of that too. Let's change your achievements. So achievements color, it is right now flash and yes. Let's change this to 6 and go there, and this looks much better. So how was this tutorial? Let me know in the comment section below, and what plugin should I be covering next? Thank you all for watching, and if you want a very nice hosting server, don't miss out on Ethereal server hosting. It is one of the best hosts which has worldwide locations and cheap prices. For example, Minecraft servers start at only $2 per month. So check out the link in the description and huge shout out to them.